loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can see from the title, today we're going to be reviewing a very well-known customizable hair care brand named Prose. So if you guys don't know, Prose is a customizable hair care brand that tailors all of their products to your hair's needs. Now this video is in partnership with Prose, but we're going to go ahead and see how these products actually work in my hair. So I actually filled out a survey, pretty much letting the company know what my hair care concerns are, what I'm looking for in a product, the type of holds I like in gels, what I look for in my shampoos, conditioners, all of that. So it's a pretty in-depth questionnaire, but let's see if they're paying attention to what I'm looking for, what I want, and what I need for my curls. They went ahead and sent over the shampoo, conditioner, a curl cream. They also went ahead and sent in a gel and also an oil. So I'm very excited to see how these products work in my hair. One thing I do want to know is, although this packaging is very simple and very minimalistic, I love the fact that each of these bottles have my name on it. Like, I want to keep the bottles forever just for that reason alone. Anything customizable is something that naturally attracts me because I feel it's tailored to what I need. And a lot of products are not like that. A lot of products are kind of just like, it's all hair types. But when you actually try it, it doesn't really work the way you'd like it to work. So based on the questionnaire, all of these products were formulated for my hair's best interest. So if you guys are interested to see how these products work in my hair, I'm also very excited to test it out. Of course, I haven't used the products yet, so this will be a first impression, so we'll learn together as we go. So if you guys are also interested in learning how they work in my hair, keep on watching. All right, guys, let's get right into this wash and go. So first we're gonna go ahead and saturate this hair, and then we're gonna start by using the shampoo. So based on my questionnaire, my shampoo was designed to cleanse, protect, and clarify my hair. I will say I only pumped about 3 pumps of the shampoo into my hands, and this is how much it was lathering throughout my hair. I did not have to go ahead and pump again. So a little does go a long way with this product, and I will say the shampoo felt very, very luxe. I am normally a double cleanse girly, and I only had to cleanse my hair once. It just felt so nice. It smelled very fresh, and it went through my hair super seamlessly, which I love. The shampoo did not feel stripping at all, and I started by shampooing my scalp, and then I started shampooing the shaft and ends of my hair. I cannot complain about this product. I really did like it, and I'm a big fan of a little goes a long way with any product. And once I rinsed out the shampoo, look how shiny these curls look. So now that my curls are squeaky clean, we are going to go in with the conditioner. My conditioner is designed to help add shine, define, and it's a curl enhancing conditioner as well. One thing I will say is that the conditioner that I used was definitely a little bit more lightweight than I typically use. So as you'll see, I am packing it on to my hair. It does have a lot of slip, but when it comes to lightweight conditioners, my hair just drinks it up. So I was pumping this conditioner away. I still feel like I used a generous amount and there's still a lot left, but it worked through my hair really, really nicely. And as I was applying it to my hair, I did add a little bit of water, and it did work its way through my hair a lot better. So once I'm done detangling, look how fluffy, lightweight, and airy these curls look. You can tell that the conditioner was not weighing down my hair at all, but my curls do feel super duper soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then we're gonna get ready to style. So once the product is rinsed out of my hair, this is what my curls are looking like post conditioning. Look how soft and fluffy they look. So we're gonna go in with the curl cream. This curl cream is designed to give me bouncy curls, definition, and it's an anti-frizz curl cream. I did like to add it to the perimeter of my hair as I normally do, and then I will go ahead and section off my hair and apply as needed. So once I go ahead and section off my hair, I am gonna go back in with the curl cream. I make sure that each section is fully coated in this product before I go in with the star of the show. You guys know I called it a star of the show because you guys know I'm absolutely obsessed with gels. So the next product we're gonna go in with is the styling gel. This gel was designed to give a strong, touchable hold, and it's made for unlimited styles. So I did go into each section using the gel, and I added a little bit of water just to work the product a little better throughout my hair. And I love the little definition it was giving my curls, but in this moment, I realized I think I actually wanna do a twist out. So I felt like the gel was actually very moisturizing on my hair, especially paired with the curl cream. So I decided to actually go ahead and do a twist out. So you guys are probably wondering, girl, what made you decide to go with a twist out versus a wash and go? So as I was applying the curl cream and the gel to each section, I felt like each section, again, was just super moisturized. It was giving me a lot of definition, but I knew that the hold was not gonna leave me a hard cast crunch. This gel is actually not designed to leave any flaking, any crunches, because it's actually designed with aloe, okra, and sea moss, which are all hydrating, moisturizing, and defining ingredients. So I knew that for a fact a twist out would give me such beautiful, long-lasting results that I decided to go that route. And if you stay tuned to the end, you guys will see how everything turns out. So what I like to do is go ahead and style the whole section first, and then I'll go ahead and break it off into twists. I find that this is the quickest way to do twists, and it actually doesn't take me long at all. I want to say that the entire process took me about 25-30 minutes, which in the past it wasn't the case because I would go twist by twist, adding product to each section, and it was just took forever. But I'm super glad I found this method. It works perfect. So as you'll see, I just repeat the same exact process throughout the rest of my hair. Let's just take a moment for how juicy these twists are looking. My ends are all curled up and my hair is about to look so bomb. The gel really did it for me. So to dry my twist, I am gonna sit under the hooded dryer. I do have one at home. So I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer and then most likely go to bed and unravel in the morning. So it's officially the next day. I went ahead and dried last night with the hooded dryer. Only took me about an hour to fully dry my hair. So as you guys saw, I went in with the Prose hair oil. This oil is very lightweight and I really liked it because it wasn't too heavy. I'm not a big fan of heavy oils. And I felt like it left a good little shine as I was unraveling my twists. And I will say I'm gonna speed up this part of the video because it's kind of boring to watch me unravel, but these twists are already looking so pretty. I already felt that this was gonna be a perfect result once I unraveled a few of them. And look at how beautiful these twists are coming out, guys. Like, these curls look so perfect. It is really flat right now and I'm probably not gonna fluff it out probably till like day 2, day 3. But so far, so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, you guys, so this twist out is giving what it needs to give. Look at how beautiful these results turned out. I apologize for the lighting because it's rainy out here, so it's really difficult to get some good light. And I was trying to film this earlier, but it's been like this all day, so we're gonna make do with what we have. But I feel like nonetheless, you can still see how beautiful this twist out turned out. Look how moisturized these curls look. There's a lot of chunks still, like I haven't really broken them apart because I kind of like the way it looks right now. So I have to just be really careful when unraveling because I don't want it to get super frizzy. But I was using the oil to break them apart. And that oil I really liked because it's not like a heavy oil. It's very lightweight and it adds a lot of shine. The product combo worked amazing. What I will say is that you have to just try to make sure you don't use too much gel because you don't want to weigh it down too much. I used just enough. You guys will see in the video how I apply it to my hair. I feel like it did really well with holding these curls in place. And look at this definition, guys. It turned out so good. So I know you guys, and I know you guys like to see at least day 2, day 3. So I'm gonna try my best to get you guys to day 3, but I definitely will pop in for day 2 to show you guys how this holds up. But this is what it looks like from the back. So far, so good. Not gonna lie, I'm really happy and pleased with how these results look. I'm not somebody who likes to give myself volume on day 1 because my hair is naturally prone to volume. Like, it just becomes more voluminous on its own. I will say that adding the cream and the gel, I felt like I was gonna get a better result with a twist out because the gel is actually not formulated to leave a hard cast. And as you guys know, I'm really big on having a gel that leaves my hair like super stiff because that's just like my type of gels, you know what I mean? So whenever I use more of a moisturizing gel, I like to go the twist out or braid out route, and I am normally right about that because I can kind of feel it in my wash and go, and I'm super happy with how things turned out. But I will pop in tomorrow to show you guys day 2 and to talk more about how I feel about the products, even though I did talk about it throughout the video. But I will pop in tomorrow and share some thoughts and show you guys my day 2 results, which I'm loving day 1 so far. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 2. Okay guys, so this is day 2 hair, fresh out of the bonnet. And I wanted to pop in before I did any type of workout or anything so you guys can see what it looks like before, and I'm gonna show you guys the after. But this is day 2, so far so good. Looking just as good as yesterday, as you guys can see. Sorry, this lighting is a little too bright. Guys, I'll pop in later today to show you guys what my curls look like. And yeah, So see you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is day 2 post-workout. So what I showed you guys earlier today was just straight out of the bonnet, but it doesn't look much different post-workout. Now, I do have a little bit more frizz, of course, but I mean, you guys can see these curls for yourselves. Like, the curls are still curling. Okay, let me show you guys from the back. Still looking super full, and I'm starting to get my volume. I haven't fluffed up my roots yet, and I know when I do, I'll have like such beautiful results, but right now I kind of just want to let them rock. I don't think I'm going to be able to let this look last as long as I'd like it to, just because of time reasons, but I think I'm going to be able to pop in tomorrow for day 3 just so you guys can see what that looks like as well. But overall, very, very impressed. I have been using the Prose oil just to scrunch it a little bit, to give it a little bit of shine, and I really, really like it. Like I said, it's very lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy, and I love that in an oil. I don't like when my oils feel too heavy, so loving this so far. Let me know your thoughts down below. But I will pop in tomorrow for day 3 just to show you guys another extra day. I think I might fluff it tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be the day that I fluff it out, since I'm not gonna be able to make it last past day 3. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so we are officially on day 3, and look how good these curls are looking. I did go ahead and pick at my roots this morning, but today has been humid. It's been rainy, like it rained on it a little bit. It's just been like very muggy out, and my curls, although they got some frizz, if you take a look, it's not as defined obviously as day 1. But overall, there's more definition than frizz, and it just feels so soft. It's so fluffy. It just looks so good. So safe to say that Prose combo was bomb. If you guys decide to try Prose, I highly recommend using if you get prescribed, because you do a survey where you kind of tell the company what you're looking for as far as hair products. If you do get prescribed the Stronghold gel, which I don't know how that works, but I did prefer a Stronghold gel. If you get the Stronghold gel and a curling cream, I highly recommend doing a twist out, because my curls definitely loved it. Look at this. Look at this. Like, so nice. I'm obsessed with these results. I don't even want to wash it out, but I do have to wash it out for work. So I'm high-key obsessed. They look so good. They're so fluffy. They're so soft. I love it. One thing I will say about Prose is I really, really, really wish their products were so much bigger for us thick-haired girlies. Like, of course, we get a lot of uses. I get a lot of uses out of the shampoo and the conditioner, but these stylers, I want you guys to make them a little bigger because I like them a lot, so I want to be able to use them a lot. You know what I mean? So I would love for their styling products to be a little bigger. Just saying, just a little bigger. But yeah, we finally reached the end of this video. So I hope you guys really liked it and the day updates. I know you guys are really big fans of seeing how a product progressively works in my hair. I'm really loving day 3 though. I feel like day 4 will look even better. But I didn't want to continue to pick at my roots. I kind of just wanted to leave them be because, you know, I didn't want to add more frizz. But overall, love the combination, love the shampoo, conditioner, the whole treatment. I really did enjoy using Prose because they did really work really well in my hair. So if you guys are interested in trying Prose, I will go ahead and add all of their information down in my description box. So go ahead and check it out. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.